it's Trenae, aka Trenaejxo, and welcome back to my channel, guys. This is a special moment. I feel like this is like a milestone in YouTube history. I am doing my first luxury unboxing video. Yay! How exciting is that? So, I've had this bag for a little minute. Okay, and I was trying to hold on to it and keep it in its packaging so that I could do this video for you guys. And of course, you guys are my friends, so you know I had to share this moment with you. My birthday recently passed. It's probably been coming up on about 3 weeks now since my birthday, and I wanted to treat myself to something nice. Like, you know, I was like, I just want to do something nice for myself. I wanted to treat myself. I've been super consistent with my YouTube videos. My channel is growing. I'm working hard towards other business goals that I have set out for myself, and I was like, you deserve. I deserve. Okay, because you know what? Black women deserve luxury. And for my vision board for 2021, I definitely included that I was going to embrace and try to incorporate more luxury into my life, just because we only get one. You feel me? And it's like, don't cheat yourself, sis. Treat yourself. Now, you may have seen her if you follow me on Instagram, and if you've seen my last lookbook video, which you have, and if you haven't, then I'm going to link it. So you make sure you go watch that as soon as you're done with this. But if you've seen my most recent lookbook video, she made a little cameo. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys my purchase. So yeah, I've waited long enough. I know you guys are like sitting on the edge of your seat waiting to see what it is. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see here, guys, my purchase is from Prada. Of course, it's from Prada. I mean, I feel like Prada is one of those brands. There are a few brands right now that are just like the brands of the moment. So like I was saying, she did make a cameo in my most recent lookbook. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen her before. But I did make sure to be careful to put it back exactly how it came so that I could do a proper unboxing for you guys. So I did order this from a store. So this was shipped to me from a store. I did not purchase this online, and when it came in the box, this is how it came. It just came in like a regular normal shipping box from the Prada store, but it came in this shopping bag. I'm assuming just because it came from the store. It probably would not have come in this shopping bag if I ordered it online, I'm assuming. Alrighty, and so it just has this little ribbon here, so I'm just going to untie that. So this navy box, I believe, is standard when their items come in a box. This is the type of box that they come in. But I do know that sometimes when you purchase items, they don't come in a box. So I am happy that I was well taken care of and that my item actually did come in this box. I'm just going to take that out, and then, so now for the big reveal. Are you guys ready? Isn't she so cute? Look at her, she's so adorable. Isn't she just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Okay, so the bag that I got is the Reedition 2000 Nylon mini bag. It retails for $7.95. If anybody cares, with taxes and everything, it came up to $842.70. So if any of you are familiar with like Prada and the Reedition nylon bags or whatever, like I love the Prada Reedition, the 2005 nylon Reedition crossbody. Love that bag. It's been out for like a year now. And I feel like that's like one of the things that like put Prada back on the map. Like when it came out, when they re-released that bag, like I feel like it got super popular. Like everywhere that you scroll on Instagram, every fashionista, every like fashion girl, fashion blogger at every corner of Instagram literally has this bag. And I mean, I'm just as obsessed with the bag. I absolutely love it. The issue is though, I like started getting annoyed with the fact that like everybody has it. Like I feel like at this point it's become just like the it bag so much so that like I feel like people are just getting it to get it, and it kind of takes the novelty away. It was just like the more people that I saw with it, the less appealing the bag became to me. Don't get me wrong, I love the bag still, and I probably would still purchase it if an opportunity presented itself where I didn't have to jump through hoops to get it, or maybe even buying the original version, or you know, if I was able to get it like at a discounted price, because now I just kind of feel like everybody has the bag, which is like I'm over it. You know, I was already considering purchasing a designer bag, but I wasn't sure exactly which one to get at the time. But in my mind, I was set on getting a black bag because that's what I need. I feel like I need a black bag just because, you know, a black bag you can carry all the time. And that's what I needed. I'm looking for a black everyday bag that I can carry all the time. So for weeks, I'm sending photos back and forth to my friends of just like, oh, should I get this? Should I get that? What about this? What about that? So randomly one day, this was literally like 2 days before my birthday, I still had never decided on like exactly what bag to get. Randomly, I'm on the Prada website. I don't even know what possessed me to like go on the Prada website, but I was just like, let me just go on there and like see what they have. So I went on the Prada website and I'm just scrolling through the bags that they have. So I'm like, let me just see how much the top handle, the nylon top handle is. Let me just see, you know, let me just see how much it costs. So when I checked, I was like, oh, this is actually not that expensive at all. Okay, fine. But then I was looking at the colors and I only saw black, white, and nude and pink on the website. And even though I was in the market for like a black purse, none of those were speaking to me. The pink was cute, but I was just kind of like, the pink, it may get dirty, or am I really going to be able to wear a pink bag? Like, how often am I going to be able to wear the pink? And it was like baby pink. I didn't really like the shade of pink, whatever. None of them were really speaking to me to be like, yeah, this is the one that you need to get. So, I mean, I was looking on my phone. I literally X'd out of the Prada website, whatever. Someone who's really, really close to me works for Prada. Like literally within a minute sends me a text and a photo of this bag and it's like, you need to get this bag, there are only 2 in the store, so if you want it you need to hurry up because these are literally the only 2. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's red. I've never seen the red one. I'm like, I literally was just on the Prada website looking at these bags and I didn't see red. Like, red was not one of the colors that was on the website. So I was like, well, where did the red one come from? I literally was just on the website. I didn't see red, like yada yada. And they were like, yeah, these are like, we only got 2 in the store. Like, if you're going to get it, you need to get it. Like, so let me know because it may be gone. So I'm like, oh my goodness, is this a sign? Like, is this a sign? And I'm like, yes, I want this bag. I need this bag. Like, don't sell it. Then they're sending like more pictures. So I'm getting like super excited. Like, yeah, oh my gosh, this bag is so cute. I have to have it. Like, I need to get it. I have to get it. I need to get it. So long story short, I ended up getting this one. I feel like it was meant to be. I feel like she was made for me. I feel like she belonged to me because how much of a coincidence was it that literally less than a minute had went by and I got a photo of this bag after I literally was just looking at the other bag. So yeah, I felt like it was meant to be. Yeah, so as far as a little bit of the specs, so again, it's the nylon. What I do like about this nylon is that it's pretty durable. I mean, you know, if you were to spill something on it, it's easy to clean. If you were to spill something on it, you can easily just wipe it off because it's nylon. If it gets wet, it's not going to ruin it like some bags, like leather bags, where you just have to be a little bit more careful and cautious with. I know that some of the handles also are nylon as well, but this handle isn't the nylon. It's like a woven material, which again is something that is super durable. I feel like it has the metal triangle logo here, and then all of the trimmings, so like this bag tag and the zipper is in there Saffiano leather. That's like a leather that Prada uses a lot. And then the lining, I know you can't see it here, but the lining also is nylon as well, and it has like the Prada logo imprinted and embossed in the inside. As far as dimensions, it's about a little over 8.5 inches wide and a little over 6.5 inches tall. In terms of mini bags, I feel like this is on the larger end of the spectrum. Like, this bag is a pretty good size. I can get a lot of stuff in here, my cell phone, my wallet, or car holder. But like, I have a pretty large, like, full-size wallet, and that fits in here. Sunglasses, like all of my essentials, hand sanitizer, lotion, sunglasses, lip gloss, wallet, keys, cell phone, like all that stuff can fit in here, no problem. Like I said, because it is a mini bag, but it's on the bigger end of the spectrum in terms of mini bags. As far as mini bags are concerned, it's a pretty good size. I prefer mini bags, even though I feel like they're kind of going out and larger bags are coming back in. I still like a mini bag to have for going out. I like mini bags, and for me, this is like the perfect size mini bag because it's not too small, but it's not really big either. And I like the option of being able to wear it as a top handle. You can carry it here in your arm, or you can also carry it on your shoulder like that. Super cute. I love the retro vibe of it because it's a re-edition. Nylon is from the 2000s, and like 2000s fashion, you know, is like really in right now, like 90s and 2000s fashion. So these bags aged really well. And then also too, red is like a color, like I never realized how much I needed a red bag, or like how much you may need a red bag in your wardrobe just to add like a pop of color to a more simple outfit. I've already been wanting to reach for this bag a lot, and I've only had it for a few weeks, you know. So I'm definitely happy that I got it in the red color as opposed to just getting it like in the black or the white. If you want, this tab here, it does come off, but I actually like it. It just reads Prada re-edition 2000s. If you really wanted to, if you didn't care for it, or if you're just over it one day and you're tired of it hanging, you can take it off. It is removable, but I like it. So all the Prada bags come with this little card here, which is basically just like the authentication card, and then it comes with like the date and a stamp of when you actually purchased the bag, if you purchased it in store. I don't know if you purchase it online, if it comes with the date stamp, I'm not sure. The other little cards are just like some information about the bag, like it talks about the re-nylon is what they like to call it, or re-edition nylon collection. So that's just that stuff that came in there. So yeah, I mean I still have the paper in it because I haven't carried it yet, but yeah, I mean I love her so much. I think that she's super cute. I know that I'll get a lot of wear out of this over the summertime. Like, super cute. Love this. I'm so happy with my purchase. I'm super excited that I was able to get this for myself as a birthday treat. So yeah, guys, that concludes my first unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how you feel about this bag. Is this a bag that you would purchase? Is this a bag that you probably would pass up? Do you like the color? Do you think that I should have went with a different color? Yeah, if you have any more questions about this specific bag that I did not cover in this video, feel free to ask me in the comments, and I'll definitely try to look that information up for you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, if you think I did a good job for my first try and you want to see more like this, then go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will link all of my socials down below so you can check those out there, guys. And until next time, babes.